Hi everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chick and I am back with day 25 of my 31-day series of getting your yarn more organized as we head into the new year. So let's face it, since the pandemic, most of us have had a bunch of these in our house. You got it, I'm talking about those Lysol disinfecting wipe containers, right? So I know that I've gone through lots of them over the last couple of years. So I actually learned this idea from my friend Melanie at Hook to the Left, but it's also all over Pinterest. And this is a great way to keep your yarn from going all over the place while you're trying to use it. You are going to want to make sure that this has been cleaned and rinsed out because the bleach that was in the disinfecting container could stain your yarn. So just make sure you give it a good rinse and dry it out well before you use it. That all being said though, this is a great way to utilize something that would normally just go in the recycling bin, but you can use it as a yarn bowl, really. That's essentially what this is. It's like a yarn bowl. You've got your skein of yarn inside and you pull your strand, your working yarn up through the hole, you close the lid and there you go. That yarn's going nowhere, it's not getting tangled up with anything else, and it's staying perfectly organized. Next step, let's take it a little further. If you have about 4 or 5 of these and you're working on a scrap GAN or you're working on a graph GAN and you're doing a lot of color changes, get a few of these things together, put all of the different yarns in each one, put them in a little basket or a box or even a laundry basket, and you've got them all right together. They're not going to get tangled in with each other and everything's going to stay neat, organized, and tidy. So I love this idea. I think it's great for everybody, and I think everybody's probably got a few of these laying around the house. Until tomorrow, guys, have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.